Hey everybody, welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. You got Chris here today, and I'm with Lorraine. I just finished doing a trailer project, fixing lights on that. If you want to check that out, it's another video. But I just was looking at this. Every single light bulb in this truck, I have switched to LED bulbs, reverse lights, all of those obviously with those goofy little retrofit kits. Even the headlights, the side marker lights, all of these lights, the bottom, every single one is an LED bulb. I just love the way that they're nice and bright and white and the way they look. Oh man, Lorraine is dirty. Had it in a parking lot yesterday. We were riding. It was a little muddy. So my pavement princess is dirty. Poor girl. But you know what's not LED? Is that. And that. And that is brighter than that. Disgusting. So I've got some LEDs. I'm going to throw those in there today. I bought these on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. A little 10-pack of LED. We call them peanut bulbs. I don't know their exact number. Maybe I'll put it down below. But yeah, a little pack of those. I'm hoping they appear to be the same size as a peanut bulb. And they should just pop right in. But let's find out. Taking these bulbs out is easy. They're behind the bumper. You kind of turn them down, and you pull them out. About as simple as it gets right there. Then you're left with that guy. Which is going to be hot because I've had them on for a while while I'm working on the trailers. I'm going to shut them off and give them a minute to cool down. There. Jeez, I put on a rubber glove so I can get a grip on that bulb. It did not want to come out. And then you stick the new one in. Should work in theory. I'm going to switch the other one. Alright, that's easy. I'm going to turn them on and see if they work.
A few moments later.
Haha. Okay, that's why I didn't put them back in already. They're directional bulbs. So, turn 180 degrees, nothing happens. Flip it back around, lights right up. So then we just stick it back in a hole, which can be tricky. Got it. Oh, now we've got a nice white light coming out of there. Let's get that one mounted. Notice I had a 50-50 chance, and this one, I actually got it right. There we go. Now I can say this truck is fully LED. Because that's important. Very. But as long as I'm right here with all these bulbs and everything, I do know of one other light on one of my trailers that is not LED. That would be this trailer. All my lights are LED on it, except for one. That turns on my parking lights. Usually leave those on in the dark while we're camping because I think it looks cool. And they're all those LEDs except for that guy. Oh, you probably can't see it. There you go. Dull yellow. It looks better on camera. Let me tell you, it's not better. It's nasty. Let me swap that one out. There we go. Now it's 100% LED. Oh, it looks so much cleaner and brighter. Love it. Well, that was a quick one, but long overdue. That thing should have been 100% LED years ago, back when I put the headlights and everything into it. Even my third brake is all LED. I don't know why it took so long. I just didn't think about it, but now it is, and I can rest easy knowing that it's done. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And you might as well subscribe as long as you're here. Just click our little button right there. And we'll see you next time, right here on 3-Day Weekend.